Hey Biowarrior babes, it's time for dinner. So we are having salmon in a side salad, and tonight's delicious salad is going to be mango avocado. If your rye doesn't eat all of this. So watch the video to see just how we do it, and I hope you enjoy. We always opt for homemade salad dressing. We never buy any from the store. Usually it could just be simply olive oil, coconut oil, or lately we've been really into this recipe here, which is diced garlic, diced lemon peel, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of vinegar, apple cider vinegar for this specific one, coconut oil, and a spoonful of honey. Alright, I normally don't touch the barbecue, even with a 10-foot pole. I usually have to cook my salmon on the stovetop. Usually just pan fry it with coconut oil. You just do 4 minutes per side, but since Jason's home, he's going to go ahead and flip the salmon steaks, and we'll have dinner. Ooh, that is so pretty. Hey guys, are cravings controlling your life? Do you constantly find yourself buying and eating foods you know are not healthy? They're keeping you overweight and sick. Would you like to find a way to finally defeat and crush those cravings once and for all? I actually found a way. Several years ago, I was 180 pounds. I was totally sad, I was lonely, depressed, and desperate to lose weight. I was doing everything that the weight loss industry told me I needed to do to lose the weight. I was counting calories, cutting carbs, dieting. I hired Jenny Craig and a personal trainer, and nothing was helping me lose the weight and keep it off. And during that time, I had severe donut addiction. I found myself, against my will, driving to the nearest donut shop anytime the craving occurred, and I would scarf down those donuts, preventing me from losing my weight, preventing me from reaching my goals, and I was in a sick, vicious circle that was never getting me to where I wanted to go. I finally cracked the code, and I learned how to remineralize my body through the Biowarrior lifestyle. That's when I finally dropped 55 pounds, and I kept it off even after having 2 kids. So what I want to share with you guys is a totally free Cravings Assassin guide, so you could finally defeat those cravings once and for all, reach your goals, take back your health and your confidence. In the Cravings Assassin guide, you're first going to learn why you are having those cravings. We're going to determine which craving you're having and giving you a healthy, safe solution to defeat those cravings once and for all. Just click on the link below to get your free Cravings Assassin guide right now. It's time to take back your life and health.